Hey it's your girl Booya and welcome back to another vlog. In this video, I just wanna thank you guys so much for the overwhelming support on the new kind of vlogs that I've been releasing. I just want to thank you guys so much because this is such a new territory for me, like a new direction for my art, my creativity, the makeup looks that I do, the vlogs that I produce. I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support that I've been getting from you guys, because putting God at the forefront of what I do, my creativity, my makeup looks, my vlogs is a new thing for me, and I'm still getting to know this new side of creativity and producing art for God. I've been getting messages and even comments saying that I am bold in sharing my faith to people and sharing my current walk with God. Part of it maybe is true, but for the most part, you just don't see it. But behind the scenes, like, I get so anxious because it's such a new territory for me. It's such a, for me, a precious topic to talk about. Talking about Jesus, talking about faith is such a precious topic that sometimes I don't feel like I am worthy to be talking about it. But at the same time, I know and acknowledge that my calling is to share my testimony and share the good news about Jesus. And that is why the look that I made was based on Hillsong Oceans, because I feel like where God is leading me is such a brand new space for me. Like, I've always been used to just talking about makeup tutorials, reviews, all that. But makeup and His good news, I've never done that before, and I haven't seen anyone doing it yet. But if there's someone, please link them down in the comments. I'd love to check them out as well. There's no one that I can look up to. So yeah, that is what I feel like right now. I feel like I'm in the middle of the ocean. I don't know if what I'm doing is right or wrong, or am I glorifying God, or am I just glorifying myself? Is it within God's will or not? But what I do know for sure is that God has a calling for me. He has a purpose for me, dreams so much bigger than mine, and I would be more anxious or more disappointed with myself if I didn't answer His call. Because I'd rather be in the middle of the ocean not knowing. Being in the ocean is hard, it's difficult, you don't know where you're going, you don't know what to do, but I'd rather be here, take it one step at a time, than being safe in flat ground and not answering God's call. Because God always wants to bring us to the next level and not just in the safe area. And anyway, the safest place is right beside Him. So even though if it's in the middle of the ocean, when you're beside Him, you're safe. And even when we think we're on flat, safe ground, we're not actually safe because we're far from Him. I would rather be in the middle of the ocean, close to God, because it is the safest space where I can be anywhere in the world. So that is the inspiration and story behind this look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you are blessed by the video. If you want to be a part of the Boo fam, we have a Facebook group and Discord server. So the links to those groups will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much and see you on the next video. Bye!